Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to pay with Klarna on booking.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials here in Klarna. If this is your first time here, just click on the sign up button. And all you're going to do is just click on the create account option. And from here, all you're going to do is simply provide your mobile number and follow the on-screen instructions, and you are all set. Now, once you are logged into your booking.com, paying with Klarna provides travelers like you and me with flexible payment options, including installment plans, pay later options, and the ability to split payments, because the flexibility allows travelers to manage their finances more effectively and book accommodations without the need for immediate full payment. All right. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to the search option and go to the destination or property name that you wanted. Just fill in the check-in dates, checkout dates, and a lot and more information. All right. You can also choose the I'm traveling for work. But if you're not happy with that, just click on reserve your apartment and stay. Now, when you do that, what will happen is these are all the informations, right? You might want to check on that, double check if that suits your needs and your preferences. And once you're happy, click on the reserve with Genius discount. What will happen is you will be directed to a new page, right? Just wait for it. Now, once you are here in the last tab or the payment option or section here in booking.com, just search for an option for the Klarna, because if you use that, the Klarna's installment and pay later options, it makes the travel more affordable for travelers by spreading out the cost of the bookings over time. Now, this can make it easier for budget-conscious travelers to book their desired accommodations without experiencing financial strain. And say, for example, the Klarna is not available on this specific hotel or booking or listing, you might want to choose another alternative option that offers Klarna, right? Or you might want to, as you can see, when you go to the booking.com partner hub, right? So they have the Klarna right here. Now, the seamless checkout process on booking.com offers a convenient and user-friendly shopping experience for travelers, because when you use Klarna, travelers can complete their bookings quickly and easily, reducing friction in the booking process and improving overall satisfaction. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.